cab driver picked up a nun. She got into the cab and noticed that the very handsome cab driver wouldn't stop staring at her. She asked him, why was he staring? He replied, I have a question to ask, but I don't want to offend you. She answered, my son, you cannot offend me. When you're as old as I am and have been a nun for as long as I have, you get a chance to see and hear just about everything. I'm sure there's nothing you could say or ask that I would find offensive. Well, I've always had a fantasy to have a nun kiss me. Well, let's see what we can do about that. Number 1, you have to be single. And number 2, you must be Catholic, she responded. The cab driver, very excited, said, yes, I'm single and Catholic. Okay, the nun said. Pull into the next alley. The nun fulfilled his fantasy with a kiss that would make a hooker blush. But when they got back on the road, the cab driver started crying. My dear child, said the nun, why are you crying? Forgive me, but I have sinned. I lied, and I must confess. I'm married, and I'm Jewish. The nun said, that's okay. My name is Kevin, and I'm going to a costume party.